If you've never made native pasta, this is your sign to try it today because it's going to bust your brain. It is so delicious, so tasty. So first things first, you're going to get the protein we're going to be using. That's beef and then some dried cow skin. It's called Kpomo. So you're going to season that with some curry, thyme. You're going to add some oregano if you have it. If you don't have it, just skip this part. It's not even necessary. Then you're going to add some seasoning cubes and you're just going to pour that over it. And you're going to add some salt, you're going to add some onions, you're going to go in with some ginger and garlic paste, and you're just going to mix that, toss it. Then you're going to transfer this into a clean pot so that it will allow it to cook. You're going to add water into this and you're going to add eggs because you're going to be adding the peeled eggs towards the end of the recipe. Don't worry, I'm going to show you at what point. So these are the eggs ready, the beef as well is ready. You're going to parboil the spaghetti or pasta, and please don't break your spaghetti. I don't know why people still break spaghetti in this time and age. It is wrong. Kukuma, just add salt to the spaghetti. You're going to give that a good mix. Don't overcook it. Once it boils for like a minute or two, take it out of the fire. Then you're going to add some red oil into a pot, going with some diced onions, add your tomato and pepper puree. You're going to give that a good mix. You're going to add some crayfish. Please take a moment to like the video, comment, share, subscribe. You're going to add some crayfish and then you're just going to mix that up, and you're going to add some deboned dried fish. You can skip this part if you don't like fish. You're going to give that a good mix. You're going to toss that and allow that to simmer on low heat. Then you're going to add the protein that we pre-cooked, and you're just going to toss that and mix everything together. You're going to add all of the seasoning. This is basically curry, thyme, some salt, some seasoning cubes. Give that a good mix. The aroma that will be coming from your kitchen at this point, then you're going to transfer the pasta into the the stew base, and then you're going to mix that to combine. Oh my goodness, this was so good, and I really hope that I can convince you to try it out. Then you're going to go in with some washed leaves. You're going to be using ugu or pumpkin leaves. You can also use spinach, but I prefer to use pumpkin leaves. Next up, you're going to add some ginger and garlic paste. Then you add the eggs that were peeled, and you're just going to mix that to combine, and your spaghetti is ready. So you're just going to allow the water to drain properly, and once everything is combined and everything is well cooked, then you can turn off your heat and your dish is ready. So please like our video if you still haven't, subscribe, and remember to share the video with your loved ones as well. Make sure you try it out. Do well to check out more of recipes that we have on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.